For the 2013 to 2014 school year, we are rolling out Google Apps for Education here at Cherry Valley Springfield. So, what does that mean? It means we're giving every student and every teacher a Google Apps account. These accounts will better help us use technology to our educational advantage. Everyone will have a Google email account. We'll give you access to Google Drive, allowing you to make web-based documents, presentations, spreadsheets. Even more, you will now be able to create sites, blogs, calendars, and on and on and on. Not only can you create any of this stuff, but you can do so while sharing, collaborating, and publishing it to the world. Simply put, you now have a digital tool to participate in Web 2.0, a tool which you can access anywhere and at any time, wherever you have internet. Before we go on, there are a few disclaimer and security restrictions to note. For one, keep in mind that the account is managed by Cherry Valley Springfield. This means that all content should be school-oriented. School-oriented means school-appropriate. The accounts are given to you in order to communicate with teachers, submit assignments to teachers, create school-oriented projects, collaborate on projects, and any school-oriented productivity, creation, communication, or imaginative purpose that you can think of. Furthermore, because the Google account are managed by Cherry Valley Springfield, we have unique security protections to ensure you are using this digital tool correctly. For one, students can only email other students, teachers, or staff within Cherry Valley Springfield. You are expected to be a responsible digital citizen. Your account is monitored by algorithms to detect inappropriate use, such as profanity. Therefore, you need to simply use these tools appropriately. If you choose not to, consequences include account suspension or even account deletion, not to mention other possibilities like detention or parent meetings. So the next big question is, where do I start? Let's go over the student sign-in process together. It is very similar to the computer sign-in, but includes your graduation year and some other things. The username will be our computer sign-in, including our first initial last name, usually, then our graduation year, and at cvscsd.org. Our password format will be our graduation year, the letter CVS, and then our lunch number. Let's take an example so we have a better idea. If my name is Joseph Schmo, I'm from the class of 2019, and my lunch number is 9876, then I would follow this format and come up with this. First initial, last name, just like I signed into the computer, then 19 for the last two digits of my graduation year, followed by at cvscsd.org. I would type that into the username field. For password, I would type in the last two digits of my graduation year, 19, followed by CVS and my lunch number. Notice how it's very similar to the format we use for signing onto the computers, including CVS and my lunch number. The only difference is it has my graduation year right in front of that. So follow along to learn just how you would sign in. I would open up a browser. It could be anything, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or Google Chrome. Then I would type in the web address gmail.com. That would log me right onto a website that looks just like this. You can see right on the right hand side we have the username and password field. For my username, I would type in my exact format. First initial, last name, J. Schmo, graduation year, 19, the @ symbol, and then cvscsd.org. Using that format, typed in my username there. Then I'm going to go to the password field. I'm going to type in my graduation year, 19, the letters CVS, and then my lunch number, 9876. Once all of that looks fine, I am going to click Sign In. When you first sign in, you will see a screen just like this. Google just wants you to agree to their terms. Accept, can you continue to my account, and it'll go right into my Gmail account. So the next question is, where do you go from here? Well, you're open to explore and customize. We want you to spend your own time to figure out how you can use this for your educational advantage. One of the most important resources is this up here. This is called your black bar, and this is where you'll find all of the services that your Google Apps for Education account will offer. The most important ones by far will probably be your email right here and your Drive account up here. Another very important resource for you will be the Google Apps for Education site that I've built. In order to access that, simply go to any web browser and type in tinyurl.com/Google library.com/CVS Google and enter. That will bring you straight to this website where you can learn plenty more about the resources in the Google Apps for Education suite. Additionally, if you need any more help, just email me, Mr. Du Bois, or come see me in the library.